Hello everyone. Arunish, happy birthday. It's your birthday today? Okay. So we have many kids already joined here. Can you people hear me? Just type a yes if you can. We'll just start with the session. Okay. So, hi Prasadu. Hello. How are you, bache? Okay. So it's Deva, Sumit, Ayushi, Arunish, Ayushi, then Prasadu, Nupur, Neelam, Elsa, Ankit, Sumit, Nupur, Shantanu. Hello everyone. So I'm very happy to see you people here again. This is our second session. In our first session, we have discussed about the two important chapters which are newly added in your syllabus, that is evolution and control and coordination in plants. उनकी हमने बात करी थी, उनके important questions हमने करे थे, जो important questions आते हैं, आ चुके हैं, and which are more prone to come you can say, और जिनका बहुत ज़्यादा chances हैं आने के. ठीक है, श्रेया टंडन, हेलो, शैलू, लक्ष्य, अंश, सुनील, अंकित, hello everyone. Okay, so first of all, again, I'll say the same thing. I always want you people to be connected with me. You are there, so that's why the channel is growing. That's why everyone is, watching and liking and sharing and subscribing. So that's a very good thing which happen, whatever is happening. Okay, so I just want to add in something here. I have recently started a blog as well. Now that blog will be related to your subject, related to your health. Matlab that is something which you can follow throughout your life, because I'll be adding things related to every sphere of life there. So you'll find that link, that icon on the channel. You can click on that and you can go to the blogger. अभी इतना ज़्यादा उसमें blogs नहीं है, but yes, I'll try to upload every one blog every day. Fine. And also Instagram, Facebook is there where you can go and then you can follow me. I know, Neetu, you people are big fan. I am so thankful to you people. I'm so very thankful to you people, because it's only because of you. Ankit Singh, Ankit, bete, any references for book for grade 12th? Bete, dekho, I myself follow a number of books with the reference book which we have. I have NCRT also. I have ISC course book also, but I follow S Chand as well. So I prepare my notes and then I learn from this. So I will suggest, if you have just started with grade 12, you can do that. You can follow S Chand, it's a good book. And plus you can have your own reference book. As for that matter, I don't think it matters that much, because your course book is more than enough. उसमें से ही अगर आप notes बनाओगे, साथ में reference book follow करोगे, it will be happy. It will be, you'll be happy with it. Now, Saurabh, Shreya, Ahana, Sumit is here. So hello everyone. Okay, so Priya is also here. Fine. So now today's topic, coming to the topic. Rather, I'll not waste your time now. We'll start with the topic now. Today we are going to take two topics, as you must have seen. You'll see in the description also. The topic is cell division and genetics. Why I have taken these topics? Because sure shot, जैसे मैंने evolution और control and coordination के लिए कहा था. सौरभ, आई एम, हेलो बच्चे, आई एम वेरी फाइन. सो जैसे मैंने मैम, Truman is elementary. Yeah, it is a Prasadu. It is a good book. Truman ka elementary biology is a good book. Fine. So we'll be today doing these two chapters, cell division and genetics. Why these two chapters? Because from these two chapters, two questions are sure to come. Even three. Matlab, if I calculate, I'll show you that slide also. If I calculate, I have jotted down many many papers. I've gone through many papers, and then I have jotted down the questions which were there in previous papers. Since 2014, I have written the questions which were continuously coming. So सेल डिवीजन और जेनेटिक्स में से क्वेश्चन आता ही है, आना ही है. मतलब 15 marks is there if you make it a total, 15 marks will be there from cell division and genetics chapter. So quickly, without wasting time, now in that time span when I'll be going through the PPT, I'll not be able to read your comments. So please watch the video, and then after I'll be done with the PPT, I'll be taking up your comments also, and I'll take your doubts as well. So we'll start with it. Okay, I'll start with it now. Okay, so herein you can see that we have your, I'm sorry, we have the slide here. I'll just start the slideshow so that I can start explaining. Now herein, as you can see, the chapters which I have taken here are cell division and genetics, and very important questions from them. Now, before starting the topic, I would request you people to subscribe the channel, and if you like its content, you can share it, you can subscribe it. Vision. Herein, I have taken the syllabus from your, syllabus from your official website. This is the syllabus for the chapter. We have the chapter is cell division, cell cycle. We have the whole cell cycle, interphases there, and mitotic phases there. Beta interphase there because in past also there were very few questions which were there from the, yes, we cannot ignore it. So please make chota sa iska revision में से just make them. I have made full-fledged videos on it. You can watch them and you can make your notes. The main topic mitosis, the basic understanding, small differences between meiosis and mitosis. Fine. Then the next portion is homologous chromosomes, crossing over, and significance of major differences between mitosis and meiosis. Now this is important. Differences between mitosis and meiosis. 4 to 5 difference I think are there in your book. You need to do that. Structure of chromosomes आता है बहुत, इतना कोई ज़्यादा नहीं, but yes, it is there. Now in your syllabus you have the structure of chromosome, and then you have chromatin. You need to know how a chromosome is formed. A full-fledged proper बहुत अच्छे से करके मैंने video बनाया है इस पे on structure of chromosome. It's there in English as well as in Hindi. If you want to see, दो playlist हैं. One is whole syllabus biology ICSE, that is English, and one is CBSE ICSE whole syllabus Hindi. In bracket I have written Hindi, so that is Hindi content. You can watch both. It will be helpful to you. Now moving on to the next slide, herein on the slide you can clearly see that I have taken a question which was there in board paper 2019, and it's a 5-marker question. But ऐसा ही question you will find in every board paper. Every, I'm quoting every board paper, because एक stage जो है हर एक board paper में एक stage आती ही है. It's there in section B. Section B में ये stage होती है. Most probably 90% section B में ये stage होती है. कोई सी भी stage they ask you, and then they'll ask you multiple questions related to it. Like for example, first question is identify the stage. Second is it plant or animal cell? That you need to observe and tell. It's an animal cell because no cell wall is there. Draw a neat and label diagram of stage which follows. Now in this diagrammatic question they have given you the diagram and they have asked you to draw a diagram as well. ठीक है? फिर how many chromosomes will each daughter cell have after the completion? यहाँ पे इन्होंने mitosis पूछ लिया आपको. Name the 4 nitrogenous bases. Herein they have asked you from the topic the structure of chromosomes, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. So what I mean to say is a stage वाला question is 101% sure to come, और उसमें they can add in the questions from chromosome and all. So if we move to our next slide, herein this I have taken it from 2018 का board का paper. This was also there, the same question, the stage wala question, and it is also a 5-marker as you can see. Now herein I have taken from 2019 and 18. मैंने पिछले नहीं लिए हैं, लेकिन अगर आप पिछले भी पेपर देखोगे हर एक बोर्ड के पेपर में ये क्वेश्चन है. फॉर श्योर. तो दैट मीन्स सेल डिविजन में से आपका एक 5 मार्क क्वेश्चन 100% आना ही है. दैट इज स्टेजेस. ना अगर हम इनके क्वेश्चंस भी आगे पढ़ते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई द स्टेज, वो तो पूछेंगे ही. गिव रीजंस टू सपोर्ट योर आंसर वेदर इट इज प्लांट और एनिमल सेल्स. यू नीड टू राइट द रीजन. नेम द stage depicted in the diagram and what is the unique feature. Now the unique feature you can see in an equatorial plane. Then name the type of the cell division which occurs during replacement of old cells and formation of. देखो यहाँ पे mitosis meiosis दोनों पूछ लिया है. In the first one the answer is mitosis and the second one answer is meiosis. So what I mean to say is कि आप बाकी ऐसा नहीं है बाकी पोर्शंस आप छोड़ देंगे. यू नीड टू डू दैट ऑल्सो, बट मेन जो आपका स्टेज में से क्वेश्चन आना ही है. सो दैट्स अ 5 मार्कर. मूविंग ऑन टू अवर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. हियर इन आई हैव जॉटेड डाउन अ फ्यू पॉइंटर्स, द सेम वन विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. दैट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट इट इज रिपीटेड, द वंस विच आर रिपीटेड एवरीवेयर. फर्स्ट इज one stage of mitosis, that's a diagrammatic question, is sure to come. Second is 1 mark questions from meiosis as well. देखो meiosis का हर question 1 mark में हर एक 5 marker में पूछा हुआ है, तो you need to do that part also. Now scattered questions are there in section 1. सेक्शन 1 में स्कैटर्ड लोकेशन पूछ सकते हैं क्रोमोसोम का, लोकेशन पूछ सकते हैं बाकी पार्ट्स का, आपको कंपोजिशन पूछ सकते हैं क्रोमोसोम की. तो इन सेक्शन 1 ऑल्सो देर आर स्कैटर्ड क्वेश्चंस विच आर देयर फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर. Then we move to the next part or the next chapter, that is genetics. Now herein also I have taken the syllabus from 2009, the official website. Genetics, Mendel's law of inheritance and sex linked. दो portions में divided है. One is Mendel's law of inheritance and the second portion is sex linked inheritance. 3 laws of Mendel, very 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 important. कहीं पे भी एक मार्क में कोई भी एक law they ask you. Fine. Then monohybrid dihybrid cross, very important, we'll talk about it. Then the terms. Now these are the following terms. बहुत important 1 mark question है और इस पे मैंने एक separate video बनाया है. The different terms which are used in genetics, जिसमें मैंने ये सारे के सारे terms 1 by 1 cover किए हैं. That is in whole syllabus ICSE playlist. उसमें आपको ये सारे के सारे टर्म्स मिल जाएंगे. आई विल गिव द लिंक ऑफ द होल सिलेबस ICSE इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. उसमें आप जाओ, उसको उसमें आप सारा कोर्सेज कवर्ड, जेनेटिक्स के वीडियोस खोलो तो उसमें यू विल गेट इट. ठीक है. देन वी हैव सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन इन ह्यूमंस. इसका भी क्रॉस है बेटा, लेकिन इसका क्रॉस बहुत रेयर आता है बट इससे जनरल क्वेश्चंस पूछ लेते हैं. क्रॉस बहुत कम आता है बनाने के लिए, बट स्टिल यू नीड टू नो द क्रॉस. इस पे भी देयर इज अ सेपरेट वीडियो. Now, when we move to the next slide, herein you can see that I have jotted or I have taken a question from Board Paper 2019, which is a monohybrid cross. बेटे देखो यहाँ पे I just tell you one thing. ICSE का जो पैटर्न मैंने नोट किया है उसमें ये है कि 1 year they give you monohybrid, next year they give you, second year they give you di, third year they give you mono. So if you see here that 2019 में monohybrid cross है, तो जो ये वाला पेपर है इसमें 90% चांसेस आर देयर कि आपको डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस होगा. वो भी मैं आपको अभी बताते हैं वो कैसे. ना इसमें सीधा सीधा इट्स अ 5 मार्कर क्वेश्चन. इट्स अ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन टू कम. 5 नंबर का क्रॉस आना ही है. मोनोहाइब्रिड आए, डाईहाइब्रिड आए, कोई सा भी क्रॉस आए 5 मार्क में आना ही है. हेयर ऑल्सो यू सी दैट दे हैव आस्क्ड यू टू. अब ये अगर आप क्रॉस नहीं बनाओगे यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. अब ड्रॉ अ पनेट स्क्वायर, उन्होंने सीधा ही बोल दिया है दैट यू नीड टू ड्रॉ अ पनेट स्क्वायर. इन डाईहाइब्रिड जनरली समटाइम्स दे से सीधा ही क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं, क्रॉस बनाने को नहीं बोलते हैं. Still, I would recommend that you make the cross and then answer. यहाँ पे ऐसे करते हैं ये क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे पहले क्रॉस बना लिया, ठीक है. क्रॉस बनाने के बाद आंसर 1, आंसर 2, आंसर 3, ये सारे के सारे आंसर टिल 5 you need to answer. That's a correct method of doing this. Phenotypic genotypic ratio. अब now see here. Mendel's law of dominance पूछ लिया यहाँ पे. So what I told you was that all the 3 laws are very important. उनको अच्छे से आप पढ़िए because कोई भी एक law 1 mark में they will give you. Then what is a dihybrid? Now they have asked you the definition of dihybrid. पूरा बनाने के लिए नहीं दिया है. Just they have asked you what is a dihybrid cross. So Moving on to the next slide, the question from 2018, which is a dihybrid. तो ये सिर्फ मैंने यहाँ पे इसलिए डाला है to show you the sequence. ऐसे ही 2017 में was a monohybrid cross. So monohybrid, then dihybrid, then monohybrid, and this year 2020 में there are chances final paper में कि अभी I am not talking about the paper which is going to happen in 2021. I am talking जो जुलाई में पेपर होने वाला है उसमें चांसेस हैं डाई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस के 90%. बट ये मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आप मोनो हाइब्रिड मत करो. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल क्रॉस. उस पर बहुत अच्छी तरह से मैंने हिंदी में भी इंग्लिश में भी दोनों वीडियोस आई हैव मेड. यू कैन गो थ्रू बोथ द वीडियोस एंड आई एम डैम श्योर कि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आपको समझ नहीं आए. यू विल इजिली अंडरस्टैंड द क्रॉस एंड प्लीज डू इट. इट्स अ 5 मार्कर क्वेश्चन विच इज श्योर शॉर्ट गोइंग टू कम. चांसेस क्या है डाई हाइब्रिड के? इस बारी 90% चांसेस हैं that the cross will be dihybrid. So if you see the questions, give the phenotypic genotypic ratio, write the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation, write the possible combinations of genotypes in F1 hybrid, state Mendel's law of segregation of gametes. Again 1 mark में Mendel का law पूछा है, so you need to learn the law. What is the scientific name of the pea plant? Pisum sativum, we all know. So this is the pattern they are following. Then we have the sample board paper 2019 which was uploaded on the site. ये मैंने पेपर पूरा का पूरा as whole with the answers, with answer की मैंने इसको अपने चैनल पे अपलोड किया है, जिसके लिंक्स मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. आप पूरा सैम्पल पेपर सॉल्व करके मैंने आंसर की भी उसमें वीडियो बना के डाला है. आंसर की को आप उसके बाद, पहले पेपर है उसके बाद आंसर की है, पहले पेपर सॉल्व कर लो उसके बाद आंसर की से उसको मैच करके करोगे. इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू यू. Now herein you can see इन्होंने क्या किया है, क्रॉस दिया है. कौन सा? मोनोहाइब्रिड, पीपी. फाइन, मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस है और उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ पे भी इन्होंने मेंडल लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस पूछ लिया है. कहने का मतलब द पैटर्न रिमेन्स द सेम. Next is, in our next slide, I have jotted down the pointers related to genetics. Very important pointers that it is repeated every year. One question, 5 marker, cross आना ही है. This time dihybrid cross के chances हैं 90% and also scattered question can be there in section 1. So according to me, genetics अगर हम total cell division plus genetics को consider करें, so I think 15 mark paper is from the chapter cell division and genetics all together. 5 marks तो straight away आने ही हैं. उसके अलावा 5 mark के scattered question here and there हो सकते हैं. तो 15 marks का paper can be is there generally every year from genetics and cell division. So 15 marks paper from evolution and control and coordination, and 15 marks paper from cell division and genetics. That makes 30. If you do these portions जो मैंने आज आपको बताए हैं, उसके अलावा तो आप पढ़ेंगे ही, बट अगर आप आज वाले पोर्शंस को बहुत अच्छे से कर लोगे, दैट विल बी वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. ये आपके मार्क्स पक्के हो जाएंगे 100%. ठीक है, तो वर्क ऑन दिस क्राइटेरिया, दैट विल हेल्प यू. सो नाउ दैट्स थैंक यू फ्रॉम माय साइड. I quickly stop this PPT and then we will start with our comments and our doubts. So now herein, now it's an open discussion now. Please ask your doubts if you have, and then I'll take your doubts for a while, and then we can stop the discussion. So it is, we'll take the doubts. Please, Prasadu, please ask your question again. I couldn't get your question. Okay. So question, Arun, hi, Bache, Prasadu. Okay, wait, Ahmed, what are you discussing? I don't know that. So, Prasadu, please ask the question if you want me to ask want something. What is the location of, oh my goodness, you are playing a game here. Okay, that's okay. You can do that thing. So, fine. So we have many people writing the comments. So if you don't have any doubt to ask me, Faiz, I have a doubt in law of segregation. What's the doubt, बेटे? देखो, doubt के लिए बच्चे अभी यहाँ पे I have taken this session to explain कि कौन से questions आते हैं और कौन से questions important हैं और कौन से questions आपको पेपर के लिए short पढ़ने ही हैं जो मिस नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, links of everything will be given in the description box. आप वो description box पे click करोगे, you will get every answer there. ठीक है, तो you just go to the channel and then you can watch the video again, watch this live session again, go to the description and then you can see the whatever you are asking, it's all explained there. So now herein I just want to add, tomorrow also there is a live session at 2 o'clock and we'll take up next chapters, and I'll be I'll be discussing short questions with you, that the questions which are short to come and the ones which will help you fetch marks. So I think no one is asking me anything in the chat box, you are doing your own chats. So Prasadu, thank you beta. It's a bye then. Bye everyone. Keep preparing. Apna time waste mat karo. I have made 2 special videos for you people, explaining that what are the things you need not to do during your exams, and what are the tips and tricks to memorize or learn things fast during exams. Fine. So I've made these 2 videos also. I'll be uploading these videos in some time. Please watch those. आपके लिए बहुत helpful होंगे. So again, as of now, bye bye everyone. You can write a bye so that I come to know. Fine. So Renu Bala, new batch, very good beta. अगर अभी से अपने if you are geared up, तो आप शुरू से फॉलो करना शुरू करोगे, बहुत अच्छे से सब कुछ समझ आएगा. ठीक है. गुरलाल संधू, very good, thank you बच्चा, thank you so much. Okay, so beta ji, as of now it's a bye, and plus please attend the live session tomorrow also. The chapters will be discussed, next chapters will be discussed, उसमें short questions मैं आपको बताऊंगी, और साथ में आपको जो है पूरा डिटेल में बताया जाएगा कि क्या क्या चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है. जो नए 2 वीडियोस में डालूंगी वो है जनरल आपके लिए, पेपर्स के लिए, उनको आप देखिए, बहुत अच्छा है. प्लीज फॉलो मी ऑन फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम एंड ब्लॉगर. मैंने आपको बताया ब्लॉगर एक न्यू मैंने शुरू किया है, ब्लॉगिंग. यू कैन फॉलो मी देयर. वहाँ पे आई राइट एवरीथिंग, जनरल थिंग्स ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू हेल्थ, साइंस, बायो, एवरीथिंग. सो प्लीज फॉलो मी देयर ऑल्सो. सो कीप लाइकिंग, शेयरिंग, सब्सक्राइबिंग. Bye bye everyone. Bye.